Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at literele A, B, C. Letters A, B, C. Hai să începem. Let's start. Litera A. Letter A. The name of the letter in the Romanian alphabet is A. It is pronounced like A in father. A. Father. Now, the target vocabulary for these lessons are the following three words starting with A. Apă, atac, avion. Now, let's see what these words mean. Apă. Apă means water. Atac. Atac means attack. And avion. Avion means airplane. Apă, atac, avion. Now, let's put these words in a sentence. Vreau apă. Vreau apă. I want water. Soldații se pregătesc pentru atac. Soldații se pregătesc pentru atac. The soldiers are preparing for the attack. And mi-am uitat poșeta în avion. Mi-am uitat poșeta în avion. I forgot my purse in the airplane. Litera B. Letter B. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is B or B. It is pronounced like B in bed. Bed. The target vocabulary for this lesson is bagaj, bogat, bufniță. Now let's see what do these words mean. Bagaj, bagaj, luggage. Bogat, bogat, rich. Bufniță, bufniță, owl. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Am mult bagaj. Am mult bagaj. I've got a lot of luggage. Tatăl lui este bogat. Tatăl lui este bogat. His father is rich. Am văzut o bufniță în pădure. Am văzut o bufniță în pădure. I saw an owl in the forest. Litera K. Letter K. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is K or C. It is pronounced as the K in sky. Sky. The target vocabulary for this lesson is carte, cască, curcubeu. Now, what do these words mean? Let's find out. Carte. Carte means book. Cască. Cască means helmet. Curcubeu. Curcubeu means rainbow. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Maria a cumpărat o carte. Maria a cumpărat o carte. Mary bought a book. Mi-am uitat casca acasă. Mi-am uitat casca acasă. I forgot my helmet at home. Curcubeul are 7 culori. Curcubeul are 7 culori. The rainbow has 7 colors. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!